Imagine you've been running a manufacturing shop for over 40 years. You didn't grow up with computers. You don't want to learn new software. And you definitely don't trust some tech company to tell you how to run your business. Now imagine you walk in Monday morning, and before you even sit down, you already know. You've got a scheduled conflict at 10. A customer emailed about a late shipment overnight. Your supplier in India sent a pricing update, and your shop foreman called out sick. You didn't check 4 apps. You didn't make 3 phone calls. You just asked one question: what do I need to know right now? That's real. That's one of our first clients. He runs an injection molding operation, been in the business longer than most of his competitors have been alive. He talks to his AI assistant the same way he talked to a chief of staff. What's going on with the Johnson order? Did we get that quote back? Remind me to call Dave at 9 tomorrow. He named her Jane, and Jane runs on MFG Edge AI. This isn't a guy who gets excited about technology. He gets excited about not wasting his morning playing catch-up. If it works for a 40-year veteran who hates software, it'll work for you. See it at MFG Edge AI.